This geography video is about how to achieve an A star in GCSE geography for the OCRB exam board. Okay, so in terms of knowledge, you need to make sure you have a really detailed knowledge of all of the topics, both for the thematic paper and also for the SDME paper. You need to be able to remember some of the key facts and figures that you've been learning in class related to different topics, but also in particular to case study answers. And you need to make sure that those case study answers and your knowledge is coming through in a way to the reader that demonstrates a good understanding, and it's also being communicated very clearly through the way it's been written. So it needs to be quite well structured. In terms of understanding, you should have a good understanding of every single aspect of the course. You need to be able to recall cases to a very high level. You should be getting 12 out of 12 in each answer, including the 3 marks that are awarded for good written communications. That's spelling, your punctuation and your grammar. You need to be able to explain processes and ideas so that they make sense and that you're picking up all of the marks for each question. So for example, if it's a 4-mark question to explain, you're going to have to explain 2 points in order to get all 4 of those marks and make sure each answer is developed. You need to also be able to appreciate how different countries around the world are dependent on others, and that can be looked at through both human and physical geography. Some of the terms you use as well are really important, so you need to use the key terms that you've learned in class regularly throughout your written work, and they need to be spelt correctly. You should have a good understanding of both physical and human geography topics. So for physical, that's things like natural hazards, coasts and rivers, and for human topics, it's population, settlement and development. You should understand the concepts and processes perfectly, and you should also understand how they interrelate with each other, so how a physical process might be impacted on by humans. You should also have an awareness of current issues that are happening in the news that might be related to geography. And this will help you to make informed decisions on perhaps the sustainable decision-making paper that you will take up, that you will do as well. So you'll be able to develop your arguments through understanding of current issues and affairs. In summary, you need to make sure for an A star that you know every single topic inside out. Your written work needs to be of an excellent standard. You need to be equally confident on human and physical geography, and make sure you understand the links between the 2 different parts. And you need to use a lot of key terms in your written answers, and have a good understanding of sustainability from past case studies, but also current affairs that are happening.